Want to supercharge your WordPress blog with AI-generated quizzes and summaries? With just one click, you can boost engagement, keep readers hooked, and make your content more interactive. Let's show you how. Welcome to our channel and new tutorial. Today, I'll take you step by step through the process of turning your WordPress blog posts into engaging, interactive experiences using AI-powered quizzes and summaries. Let's dive in and make your content more dynamic and captivating. Nuclear Engagement offers a dashboard, content generation, customizable settings, and an easy setup menu. Navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can easily manage your blog's interactive content, view detailed analytics to track quiz and summary performance, and get an overview of your content's impact. The post inventory helps you organize and monitor posts with quizzes and summaries, while the authors section tracks individual contributions. Finally, the post types feature lets you categorize your quizzes and summaries to ensure your content is tailored to your audience. I've just published a few blog posts, and now I'm excited to enhance it using Nuclear Engagement. With this tool, I'll generate an interactive quiz and a concise summary to engage my readers and make the content even more valuable. To get started, simply navigate to the Generate menu. In this section, you'll find a wide range of customizable filters designed to help you fine-tune your content. You can filter by post status, giving you the flexibility to choose between published, scheduled, draft, or pending posts. This makes it easy to focus on content at any stage of the publishing process. Next, you can filter by category to target specific topics, or even by author, which is especially useful when managing posts from multiple contributors. The post type filter offers the option to focus on different content formats, while the Generate Type filter lets you decide whether to generate interactive quizzes or concise summaries. With these robust filtering options, you'll have complete control over which post you want to enhance, streamlining the process of boosting engagement and adding more value to your content. These are the steps to generate your content. If you'd like to create a quiz for your posts, simply select Quiz from the options, and then click Get Post to Process. This will initiate the generation process and allow you to start the next step. The second step is to confirm and generate. To do this, simply click the Confirm button to finalize your selections and initiate the generation process. The process only takes a few seconds. Once it's complete, head over to your post to see the results. For the best experience, be sure to reload the page to ensure everything updates properly. Below your post, you'll find 10 insightful questions and answers directly related to your content. It's effortless and fast. There's no need to spend time manually crafting quizzes for your readers. Simply let Nuclear Engagement handle it all for you, saving you time while enhancing your blog's interactivity. If you'd like to adjust the number of quizzes, you can easily do so at any time to suit your needs. Now, let's go ahead and create a summary. Start by changing the Generate Type from Quiz to Summary. Once that's done, simply click on Get Post to Process. This will prompt the tool to generate concise, engaging summaries for all your selected posts. Since we've set the default to all, it will process every post you've chosen, ensuring each one gets an impactful, attention-grabbing summary. The steps are exactly the same as when we created the quiz, so you can easily apply them to generate summaries for any post you want to enhance. You can easily view the generated summaries here, along with the date they were created. This feature is incredibly helpful, especially for WordPress users and bloggers, as it streamlines content management and ensures you can quickly track and access your enhanced posts. Before publishing, let's take a moment to preview the changes and see how everything looks on your post. Once visitors land on your site, they'll first encounter the summary at the top of the page, giving them a quick overview of the content. At the end of the post, they'll find the interactive quiz, providing an engaging way to test their knowledge and deepen their connection with your content. This layout ensures a smooth and engaging experience for your readers. One of the standout features of this tool is that when a visitor answers a question incorrectly, the correct answer is automatically displayed in green. This immediate feedback helps users learn the right answer, enhancing their experience and making the quiz more interactive and informative. If the default settings don't quite suit your needs, no worries. You can easily adjust them to your preference. Simply navigate to the Settings menu, where you'll have the flexibility to customize everything according to your choice. In the Settings Placement section, You can easily choose how and where to display the quiz and summary sections within your blog posts. Whether you prefer to place them before the post content or after it, this flexibility allows you to seamlessly integrate these interactive elements, enhancing the overall user experience. In the Themes section, you can choose the option that best suits your preferences and style. Under the Display tab, you can fully customize your quiz experience. First, you can choose the number of questions you'd like to include in each quiz, and also set the number of answer options per question. What's even more exciting is the Quiz Custom Text feature, which allows you to display personalized content at the beginning or end of the quiz. This adds a unique touch, enabling you to engage your audience with custom messages, instructions, or even call-to-action prompts, making the quiz experience even more interactive and tailored. Under the Email Opt-in Form tab, you can choose to display an email opt-in form at the end of the quiz results. To capture the form data, simply provide a valid webhook URL, such as one from Zapier or Make, to ensure the data is seamlessly sent to your preferred destination. In the Generation tab, you can configure how and when the plugin updates your post data after generating a quiz or summary. You also have the option to select which post types will be available in the Generate Content drop-down menu. By default, Only Post is selected, but you can customize this setting to include additional post types as needed, giving you greater flexibility in enhancing your content. And that's it. With Nuclear Engagement, you can easily enhance your blog with interactive quizzes and summaries. Try it today to boost reader engagement. Check out the link below in the comments section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.